Good morning, student. Class 11, topic probability. That is from R.D. Sharma. It is exercise 33.2 and question number 7. Two dice are thrown. The event A, B, C, D and E are described as follows. Event A, getting an even number on the first die. Getting an even number on the first die. Okay. B, getting an odd number on the first die. Okay. C, getting at most 5 as the sum of the two dice. Getting at most 5 as sum of the numbers on the two dice. Okay. D, there are up to E event. F, getting the sum of the number on the die greater than 5 but less than sum is greater than 5 but less than 10. Then 10. Okay. E is the event getting at least getting at least 10 as the sum of the numbers on the dice. Okay. And F is the last event getting an odd number on one of the die. An odd number on one of the dice. Okay. Up to this language is clear to you? Then describe the events A and B. Describe the event A and B. Means A intersection B. Is the first part. And B or C. B or C means B union C. B and C. B intersection C. A and E. A intersection E. A or F. A union F. A and F. A and F means A intersection F. State true or false. A and B are mutually exclusive. So many parts are there. It's a very good question. A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. A and C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So student, first of all, we will find all these events like the set. Event is like a set, subset of the sample space. A is getting even number on die, even number on the first die. So there are, as you know, if we talk about the total number of the element, they are 36. But in A, getting an even number on the first die, it means it is 2, 1, 2, 2 till 2, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2 till 4, 6. And there is 6, 1, 6, 2 till 6, 6. Okay. Then B. Yes, B is an odd number on the first die. So that will be 1, 1, 1, 2 till 1, 6. Similarly, there are 3, 1 till 3, 6. And 5, 1 till 5, 6. Now, as you are observing that no element is common in A and B. So we can say A intersection B equal to null set 5 and A union B equal to S, total sample space. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. This is the condition of mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So we can say A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So B part is correct. Is true. And first A and B are mutually exclusive. So it is yes mutually exclusive also. A and C are mutually exclusive. So it cannot be mutually exclusive because in C the sum at most 5. At most 5 is the sum of the number on the first two die. So if we find event C, then we will get sum is at most 5. So what about the minimum sum? It is 2. Minimum sum is 2. So C event is sum is 2 will be 1, 1. Sum is 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Sum is at most 5. Okay? Then 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, then 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, oh, and 3, 1, then 2, 1, 3, yes. Okay, then there is a 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 4, 1. There are 4 elements, there are 3, there are 2, 1, yes. So this is the C set. So we can see here element of A and C. So many elements are common here. Like 2, 1 is common. Yes. Okay. 2, 3 common. 4, 1 common. 2, 2 common. Okay. So if elements are common, here we can say A intersection F, A intersection C is not equal to null set. Therefore, A and C are not mutually exclusive. Okay, so C option is false. Then C and D are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So let us find and D also. So sum is greater than 5 but less than 10. So it cannot be exhaustive because the maximum sum will be 12 when there is a 6, 6. And sum is 11 also. 5, 6, 6, 5. Here you are taking the less than 10. They are not taking 10 also. So there is a sum greater than 5 and less than n equal to 9. Less than n equal to 9. So this event cannot be exhaustive. Okay. So let's find the D event. Let us fill the space. I am writing here. D. Sum is greater than 5. So let sum is 6. sum is 6. So it is 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 3, sum is 6, and 1, 5, 5, 1. Then sum is 7. Then it is, when sum is 7, it is 1, 6, 6, 1, then 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, then here sum is 7, then 1, 6, oh yeah, is there. Okay, then sum is 8, then now there is a sum 6, sum 7, then sum 8. So the sum 7 is 2, 6, 6, 2, then it is 3, 5, 5, 3, then 4, 4. Then sum is 9. 9 is 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, and 6, 3. Now, let us take the common element, since here no element is common, from M, C and D. So, C, we can say C intersection D. C intersection D is 5. So, C and D are mutually exclusive. But they are not exhaustive because C union D is not equal to S. Not equal to S. Right? Element 6 is not there. Right? Element, the making the sum 11, that is not there. So, we can say that C and D event are only mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. Okay? So, here no option is correct. D, mutually exclusive and exhaustive is wrong. C and D and E. Similarly, now frame E. There at least 10, sum is at least 10. So, maximum sum will be 12. At least 10. So, let us frame event E. Sum will be 10, 11, 12. So, E equal to, let's frame 10. 10 means 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 5. Then sum is 11. 5, 6, 6, 5, then 6, 6. Right? Sum on the term. Then let us frame E, F, F, and odd number on one of the die. Right? And odd number on one of the die. So this is at least one odd number. 1, 1. One odd number on one of the die. It may be on both the die also. So it is 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 6. There may be 2, 1, 3, 1, and 4, 1, 4, 6, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Similarly, we will write for 3 also. We will write for, there are 11 elements. You can check. There are 11 elements for 1, 11 elements for 3, and 11 elements of 5. So total elements are 33. We can say NF having 33 elements, not 36. There may be, yeah. Okay. Then, an odd number on one of the die. Then odd number on one of the die. Okay. Then let us find. Similarly, we will find the A complement of A, that is B. B complement of, and B complement becomes A. So A complement and B complement are mutually exclusive event. That is true. Then A, B, F are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So A and B are already mutually exclusive. Okay, but A and E, F, they all are not mutually exclusive because there are some element is common here. See, the A intersection B intersection F, that will be phi, because A intersection B is phi. Phi intersection F will becomes phi. So it is mutually exclusive, and it is exhaustive also. If we find the A union B union F, then we will get S. So this is the exhaustive also. So it is mutually exclusive and exhaustive. The G part is true. Okay, this way you will solve this particular question. This way we will find all types of the event, then find their intersection and their union. Number of elements in the set F, that is not 33, that will be 26. With 1, there are 11 elements, and there are some element is common. So there are total 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 elements.